Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Kathal ki puri. For that I have taken kathal, tender kathal. I have cut them and cubes like this and pressure cooked it for 3 whistles. If you mash it with hand, it's breaking. That means it's cooked well. Now I have taken a portion of that and I have added ginger garlic paste, green chilli paste, little bit of white sesame seeds, hing powder, haldi powder, chopped coriander, and the kathal. What I have done is put it in the mixer and mashed it nicely so that for making puri it will be easy. You can make paratha also out of this. So mix all these masalas. I'm keeping it very simple. If you want to add anything else, you can add according to your choice. Garam masala or chaat masala, red chilli powder. And we'll mix atta in this. You can make stuffed paratha also, and you can mix atta with this and make paratha. We prefer the paratha with mixed with atta. The atta is ready. I've applied little oil on top of it. Now we'll keep this for 5 minutes covered. I have rolled out the puris and the oil is hot. We'll add the puris. So I'm giving it for snacks in the dubha for the children. If you want, you can make the stuffed paratha, or you can mix it with the atta and make the paratha. I prefer to add the parathas. I prefer to make the parathas by adding the ingredients in the atta itself. That's way my children eat. And plus the stuffed paratha I cannot roll out properly. Many times it's a flop for me. So I also prefer to add the ingredients in the atta itself and make the paratha. Now the puris are ready. It's very tasty. You can try this. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the videos. If you make small puris like that, children will also enjoy because it's quite attractive. Small puris. During Kathal season, you can make various dishes out of this. Kofte, achar, and we South Indian make toran out of this. It's quite tasty. And various other items also we make. I have prepared few dishes with the seed also. I'll give it in the description box, the link of that. You can check those things also. And during the season you can enjoy the dishes. Paratha recipe I'll upload soon. This you can serve it along with green chutney or sauce as you wish, or eat as it is with a cup of tea or coffee if you are an adult. For children, you can serve it along with the sauce or chutney. Our puris are fried. The Kathal ke puris are ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.